That's how they make dogs look like they're talking in movies. I think they put it on my upper lip. Yeah.